The SmartRix app is a so-called PWA progressive web app which can be accessed directly via your internet browser. It is therefore not available in the Play Store or App Store and is currently only available for Android and Windows for smartphones, tablets, and PCs. The iOS version will follow. You can download the SmartRix app directly from the website, smartrix.steyr-sport.com. The Google Chrome and Edge browsers are supported. Confirm when asked to add the app to your home screen or install it. You can also select Add to Home Screen from your browser menu on a smartphone or tablet, or install it later on your PC via the Save menu. The SmartRix app is now installed on your smartphone, tablet, or PC. You can install it on multiple devices and use them to analyze your shooting data.